Right, so hi, hello, good day. So for this video, I'll be presenting our midterm exam in artificial intelligence. So we did this one together with Sir Darren Romero. So the first thing that we did is we tried to find an application wherein we can uh, easily create a UI. So we found this one, this Qt Designer, and it's pretty user friendly. So we decided to use this one instead of the other applications out there. So we just created a simple UI, as you guys can, or as you can see through. So we only have here a label and then a radio buttons, five radio buttons, and then a label also right here, but we decided not to use this one, so you can just simply ignore this label right here. So supposedly the output or the numerical output will go right here, but we decided to go with a prompt. Okay, that is where we are going to show the output. So I will show that one to user later on. So it's just a drag and drop, and then we just simply change the names accordingly. So we have linear regression, support vector regression, decision tree algorithm, random forest regression, and then the last one is logistic regression classifier. And then the output will be the R2. Okay. Alright, so once you're done creating this one, so the next thing that we did is we have to convert this one into a Python code. So in converting this one in Python code, all you have to do is open your command prompt and then just type this one pyuic 5 dash x, and then the file name, and then dash o, and then the file name again, but this time it's not the file name of that Python file. So this first file name is the file name of this one from the Qt Designer. So it should be GUI underscore midterm dot UI, and then dash O, and then the file name that you want to name for that Python file. So you can pretty much have the same file name since they have different extension, but you can also have different file names for this one. So there would be no problem with that one. So once you're done converting that one, so in my case, it's on my, just wait a second. Uh, yeah. So it's on my Sublime because initially I use Sublime to edit the Python code, but we decided to use Spider. So initially it's on my default my Python, but you can just disregard this one. You can open this one in any uh, editor. Okay, you can have Visual Studio Code, you can have Python, you can have Sublime, you can have Spider. Okay, so for this one, once you're done putting the name, so we decided to put or we decided to name this one as GUI underscore midterm Python code, but it's actually this one. It's just converted into a Python code. So you can now open this one using your any editor. So in our case, we have used Spider. Once you have opened that one using the Spider, so of course you will see this one as the as an output already, and of course it's not the original file already since we have already inserted some codes in here. So for example, this one we have inserted this one is function, this one, this one, this one, and so on and so forth. Okay, so basically we have this function one right here for the multiple linear regression. So this one came from the Python notebook. So we just simply copy and paste that one right here, except for this one. So remember that I mentioned about the output, the label, is one right here. We didn't use this one. What we use is a message box. So this will prompt the numerical output for this multiple linear regression or for this function. The same with the other function for the support vector regression. Okay, so we just simply copy and paste everything right here except for this message box. So again, we're just going to use the message box instead of the label. So this is where the output will be shown. So for the decision tree, the same. We have this one, copy and paste, and then where we're going to show the output, the message box. And for the random forest, the same. So we just copy and paste it here, and then this is where we're going to show the output. And for the polyregression, the same. So copy and paste, and then for the message boxes, we're going to show the output. And then we have, of course, to call that one on the main uh, file right here. Okay. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the code. So in running this one, so you can just simply click play, and then it will show you right here the interface already. So if we click the linear regression, so it will show here on the message box together with your terminal. Of course, it will also display the output since we are printing the result right here. So we can just simply remove this one and then just use this one as an output for this one. So just click, well, you can click retry, ignore, or cancel. So three of them are just the same. So it will just close it, and then you can proceed to the other options, and then it will show us the next one. Okay, this loads a little bit, but yeah, this is the score. So the same with what we have on the Python notebook. So it's 0.94. So ignore, and then let's go for decision tree. So ignore is quite faster than retry. So maybe this one's trying to do something. Anyway, this one is 0.92. Cancel. Random forest, it's 0.96, which is the highest one, the most effective regression. And then the last one is logistic regression, which is 0.94. So yeah, that's pretty much it for our midterm exam. So again, you can just simply ignore this one. So we didn't use this output right here. Anyway, have a nice day, sir. I hope you like our simple user interface since we are completely a beginner. So pardon us for having this um, super simple project. Anyway, goodbye, sir, and have a nice day.